Hello, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we learned about use memo hook and learned some interesting about that. In this video, we will learn about useRef. So useRef creates a mutable object that sticks around across renders without triggering re-renders. It's great for holding values that don't need to update the UI, unlike useState. So let's create an example. Let's go back to the counter example. Okay. And in this video, you, for example, you want to save the old value from the count. Okay, you want to save the previous count. I think you can do something like this. Create let previous count equal 0, right? And every time you increase the count, before that you need to set the count equal the count, right? No, sorry, set the previous count like this. And we also need to have the previous count, right? Change a little bit here and previous count. Previous count. Okay. We need to add the counter here, and let's run it. Okay, now you see the value of the previous count here, and let's try to add count, and you see we have previous count 0 and add count again, still 0. It should be 1 here, right? Again, no. So what we miss here, let's go back to the counter component, and you see here every time you call setCount, the component will re-render. So every render, it will call the counter function, and yeah, this previous count will be initialized again and assign it the value 0. So we will see the 0 appear here every time the component render. So, but if you use the state here, for example, you change the previous count by the something like useState 0, like this. If you do something like this, every time you change the previous count, the UI will be re-rendered, but we don't need that, right? We just want to save a value through the render. So we have a thing named useRef, okay, and with the initialize equal 0, and then for this one instead of assign it directly, we just access the current inside the private count like this. Okay, and here also show the current. And we also need to remove the use callback here and just give the function itself. Alright, save it. And now count like this. Okay, I think that's all for this video. And if you have any question, please comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.